Hi there, this is Tina from osnapletsEat.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite soup, Luo Song Tang, also known as the Chinese Borscht Soup. Luo Song Tang actually translates to Russian soup, and it is also known as the Chinese Borscht Soup. This is because this soup was originally introduced to China from Russia. However, due to the climate being bad for planting beets and folks generally not being used to beets, tomatoes are used instead. There are actually many ways to make this soup, but the main ingredients are beef and tomatoes. Now let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 pound of oxtail, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 large potato cut into 1-inch cubes, 8 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, and a pound of tomatoes, 1/4 cup of rice cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, which is actually optional but adds extra flavor, a tablespoon of sugar, and salt to taste. Now let's cook. First, we are going to blanch the oxtail. So place the oxtail in a pot and cover it with water and bring to a boil. Impurities will float to the top. Turn off the heat and discard the murky water, and keep the oxtail in the soup pot. Now in a wok or cooking pan, heat cooking oil on high heat, and once the oil is hot, add garlic. Then add half of the onions and add half of the tomatoes and stir fry everything for about 2 minutes. Add the stir-fried mixture into the soup pot with the oxtail along with about 8 cups of water. Add rice cooking wine and then cover and bring to a boil. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about an hour. After an hour, add the potatoes into the soup pot and let it simmer for another hour. Then add the rest of the tomatoes and also the rest of the onions and allow the soup to simmer for another half hour. Timing may vary depending on your stove and how big the oxtails are, so just check on its tenderness every now and then. Finally, add salt to taste, and then remove from heat and serve. And that is how you make Luo Song Tang, or Chinese Borscht Soup with oxtail. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.